everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are all back from Europe and Lottie has a client that is overseas, but they want some kind of like androgynous photos for them to use on their socials. And she thought, who better to us than Peter? So she's coming to the studio, bought some inspo photos and yeah, we're just gonna run through the shoot. And I can't believe what happened halfway during this shoot.
So I'm just going to walk you through the lighting. I've got a little LED shining down onto that board, just doing a kick light up on one side of Lottie's face. And then behind this scrim, I've got another LED, which is just punching in to get a sort of a nice even, we're after that sort of daylight effect. We've got a nice overcast day at the moment, which is good because the light's not varying much. I've put a board on top of where Lottie is just in case the sun comes out. I don't want to get that skylight in shot, so that's what that board's doing. But the type of lighting we're looking for is that muted, natural light type of look. All right, so I'll just, cool. That's really cool. I just want to double check my exposure's still looking fine. We're going for this slightly underexposed look, and I'll do work in post to bring it up, but this is the exposure that we've actually gone for. This is a secret little campaign we can't talk much about, but we're going to do some stuff that will get us cancelled. Bad luck. We're after a certain type of look. Cool. And if you're allowed to do it in movies, you're allowed to do it anywhere. That's really cool. So it's been worked out, it's been just about a year since I've worked with Lottie.
Is it actually?
Yep. These are looking cool. Yeah, so with this, we're going to be doing some styling changes. This was just our safety look. Then we wanted to go something a little bit more edgy. We've both got a similar taste in style, and it's more the way the 90s photographers worked. It's people like Tom Ford and Calvin Klein. They had this edginess to their pictures, which might have been slightly inappropriate, but that was so cool to look at. Helmut Newton's another one's cool. I really like that. Cool. Nice. I really like. That's awesome. Do you want to go right back and work against that wall? That's really cool. I like that. That's really nice. Just when you're leaning on the wall, you get a different feel about the pictures. Cool. Nice, I like that. I want that sort of like, I'm too good for you. Well, I'm still drop dead gorgeous, but I'm too good for you. Cool. Nice, I like that a lot. Cool, awesome. Yeah, I really like these. Yeah, now, cool. Did you want to tie your hair up? We do some, and then we're going to do the tie.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. So this is really androgynous. This is really cool. Just go that way, touch, just about there. Cool, perfect. That's really cool. I love that. Nice. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is absolutely perfect. It's really cool working with a model like Lottie because I don't really have to say much. I just let her do her thing. But she's on the brief, most likely more than I'm on the brief of this anyway, so cool. That's really cool. And it's such a fun thing to shoot with a model that knows what they want. It's so much easier than shooting with a model that doesn't know what they want. Huh? I love it. You love it. You want to tell me what you really think? You've actually nailed some really good shots.
Really? Oh my God, they're so cool.
They're so cool. You like?
It's like androgynous, but it's also like...
It's hot androgynous, yes.
I love it.
You love it.
You know what would just finish this off perfectly?
Yeah, I know what you're going to say, cigarette.
Yeah. Or we'll take a few more.
No, if you reckon if you're happy we've got a shot.
Let's take a few more.
Yeah, cool. I think you're prematuring.
Yeah,
Cool. So if you're getting that, imagine what you're going to get in another 10 or 20 frames. Yeah, cool. Because you've seen the look, you know how to work it even stronger. Cool, I really like that. Cool. Yeah, it seems to have gone out of fashion a little bit, that androgyny look, which I reckon is one of the coolest things. That's cool. I really like. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Feel. That's perfect. That's the only way to model. Have a thought and then feel the thought. So it just comes out naturally. Cool. Cool. Because everyone just wants to see what you would look like if you were doing this. Cool. Cool. I reckon we got something in there. So you're going to want to, it'll be one of two things. One we can't do, the other one we can do. So cigarette.
Yeah.
Or cut your hair.
Both.
I was joking about the cutting of the hair. Let's do the cigarette one. Can't cut the hair on a photo shoot. So everyone, neither of us smoke.
Neither of us smoke. This is all prop.
This is all prop. You want it lit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a lighter.
You got a lighter. Oh, but you don't
Don't
smoke.
know why.
I was going to say, but you don't smoke. But I was going to say, there's a lot of shit about smoking shots which aren't deserved. If you're holding a gun, a cigarette, a frying pan, an axe, a knife, they're just a prop. We're not promoting them, but back in the day, cigarettes used to be cool, so adding them to a photo is only to say they're a cool prop. Yeah. We're not saying go out and smoke. It's so much better to vape. No, it's not. Cool, I like. I pre-warned Lottie that she's been asking to do a smoking looking shot for a little while. I keep saying you're going to get friggin' hate on it, especially on social media, and she's actually got the same thing as me. I don't care because she's not really smoking and she's not promoting smoking. It would be no difference to if I gave her a knife. Cool, cool. Cool. That's really cool. See, she's already wearing this differently. That's really cool. Love. Cool. You're going to fill my hard drive. I can't help it. Because I don't have to wait for you. Cool. Because her continual movement, cool, which she does now. I think a while ago we did a shoot and I made her do a bit of videoing first. And ever since she's done that, she moves so much better. Because she realises that still kills the whole feel of a shoot. Whereas that continual movement, I can wait till I see these awesome expressions. Oh, we said, not the last shoot before, that was it. These are cool, these are really cool.
So like, that's like,
yeah, it's
not trying to
that's the best.
I'm not trying to model, I'm just standing, I'm doing myself.
Best photos are not trying. If you think about it carefully, you look at all the supermodels, that's what they look like, 24/7.
Yeah.
And just, they can really bring on their attitude. Yeah. When you're playing yourself. When you're trying to play someone else, you don't really understand what you're doing. Yeah. It's like I was saying, if I was to shoot grunge photography, there's so much better photographers who can do that than me. Or, beach girly stuff on the beach. There's so many better photographers who do that. It's not really my thing. Yeah. Can I light it? Yeah. You can stink out my studio. We need a Zippo to do this. Cool. Yeah, now the trick is don't over smoke it. You know what I mean? Just do it as a natural thing. Don't try and make it a bigger prop than it really is. You just come this way just a touch more. Yes, there. Yeah, perfect. Cool, cool, cool. That's really cool. I love it. Nice, that's really cool. I'm not saying anything because I don't need to. I'm just letting you go. Cool, that's really cool. Cool, cool. That's cool. Cool. So you're serious about cutting your hair?
Yeah, actually I am.
I feel really bad about this.
No, don't.
I can't believe I've got a model cutting her hair off.
How much am I wanting to do? How much do you think, like that much?
Whatever you reckon.
How's it look? Does it look all right? Have I cut off enough?
The back part's
Yeah, the back part's still long.
long. The front part looks fine. You're just going to tuck it around behind your head. Oh, a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to end up cutting way more off.
No, I don't want you to cut off more than you. That's now shorter.
Oh, too much?
No, it's fine.
Oh, no.
Never ever had someone cut their hair in here.
On a shoot?
On a shoot.
Never?
Never.
Do you reckon that's a good start and then we can even it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I need you to fix it.
Fix what?
Just like even it out.
So it's the same length.
Yeah.
So you want it all brought to that length?
I think so. Not too much, like just do a little
because,
bit now.
all right. You know those videos you see on YouTube where the girl grabs all the hair and then cuts it, and then when she lets go, it gives this the weirdest fringe in the world?
Yes.
I'm feeling like that. No, but that's what I'm feeling like. That's why I don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
You don't mind having a bald patch, do you?
Oh, yeah, no, that sounds great.
I'm just going to do what hairdressers do.
Oh my God, Peter, I don't know if you should get too creative.
I'm not getting creative. I'm just making it not look as even. Where's your hairbrush?
Yeah. I'll then like blow over it till it tucks under and it looks a bit more.
Sorry, touching. There you go.
Oh, it's done.
I think so.
The front looking a bit crazy. I can fix the front.
You can fix the front. You fix the front in the mirror.
Okay.
Huh?
Look at this long strand of hair at the back.
Oh, where was it? That must have been tucked. That must have been tucked under.
Just check all my hair's out.
It must have been just tucked under your
I
jacket.
went to the mirror. I was like, "What the fuck has he done to my hair?"
Some more long strands there. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Just coming round to see how Lottie's going with her haircut.
Just like flicking it up a bit.
That's brought it much shorter, yeah, cool. Yeah.
No.
So after butchering your hair,
You've done a great job.
yeah, it's kind of, I think just that bit shorter, definitely, that's really cool. That's really cool. I just want to double check so that, oh no, that's sitting perfect. In fact, that is so much nicer.
Right?
Yeah. So how much do hairdressers normally charge for a haircut?
I don't know, you should start charging. Models need haircuts and shit.
That's really cool. That's awesome. Yeah, fairly attitude. That's cool. I love that. Cool. That's really pretty. That's really cool. Love. Don't need to say much. These are looking just cool. Nice. Cool.
Are you a thumb in pocket or out pocket? You're either one or the other.
Me, I don't tend to, I'll be thumb in pocket more than hand in pocket. No, not hand in pocket, thumb in pocket. No, hands out of pocket, the thumb goes in the pocket.
Got you.
No, but that's me personally. You can do whatever you like.
Every photographer I work with, they're either like, what are your thumbs doing out? Like,
Oh no, I like thumbs out.
Okay, I like
Yeah.
thumbs out as well, otherwise it just looks like
Yeah.
it's weird.
No, cool. Yeah, so cool. I really like. Yeah, so you can see that it's a hand with thumbs are out. And what's use having nice nails if they're friggin' all in the pocket? That's cool. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. That's really cool. I really like. We're just edging our bets, making sure that we've got something. That's cool. That's really cool. All right, we got it. Do you want to try some with the tie undone and a button undone, but leave the tie hanging?
Cool, like it. Like fully under?
Yeah, full. Oh no, you
Loose?
try. I'm not sure.
Like what, unbutton?
I thought the unbutton with the loose tie.
Yeah?
I'm not sure. I'll take a picture and you tell me what you reckon. If it's working for your... Cool. I like that. That's really cool. Cool. That's really cool. Nice. I like the fact that you're playing with it too. Cool. Come have a look. Tell me what you think. Was it too busy?
I feel like it's too busy for cleanness. I like when it's just like one or the other.
All right, get rid of it then.
Yeah.
That's cool. Cool. That's really cool. Love. That's really cool. Remember, your favourite shot has got that attitude. That's why it's your favourite shot. So I want some Lottie attitude. Cool, cool. A whole fight with me type of. Cool. I love. Nice, nice, nice. That's really cool. That's really cool. You're missing something, aren't you? Huh? You're missing something. What are you missing? I don't know. Your cigarette? Maybe. Cool, 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 cool. I like a lot. That's so cool. Did you want your smoke? Yeah. Yeah. I felt once you were putting it in your mouth, it wasn't working as well. Yeah. It was, it needs to be like because I don't think you were a smoker. So see how it doesn't look like.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's kind of cool. Yeah, sick.
It's kind of cool. Yeah, but we can have it lit, but I don't think you need to drag on it.
No. Yeah. Okay, cool.
In fact, you most don't even need it lit if you're not going to drag on it, because we're not using the smoke.
True.
So I think it's most only more comfortable for you because you're not going to end up with smoke in your eyes.
Yeah, sweet, let's do that.
I reckon because they all look like it's lit.
Yeah.
Agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. We'll just do that. And then we're promoting not smoking. Yes, just hold it. Find a cigarette in the butt on the street and just hold it. Do you want to come this way a little bit more? Cool, that's cool. That's nice. That's cool. That's really cool. Nice. I like that a lot. Awesome. That's really cool. I like that face. Cool. All right, we got that.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you do want to see some more shoots that Peter's done with Lottie where he doesn't cut her hair, I'll put them on the screen now.